How can Google Shopping drive more sales and traffic? So this is for e-commerce websites. Google Shopping is one of the best ways to drive traffic and sales. You got smart shopping, you got video shopping ads. You can also run campaigns manually. You also got this new Performance Max, which you can use to drive traffic. So Google Ads, Google Shopping Ads is one of the best ways, in my humble opinion, to drive traffic and to generate leads. Because the beauty with Google with shopping ads is it has got the photo of the product, it's got the price and your brand name. So if you got high quality pictures, and this is really really important with shopping ads, the quality of the photos will make or break your campaign. And secondly, your feed has got to be optimized. Otherwise it will not work, because Google needs to know that, if somebody is looking for a red apple, it will show you red apple. So but it needs to look on your website. Shopping ads don't work with keywords. It works through the feed, through the Google Merchant Center. So make sure that the feed is all properly optimized. There are no issues in the Google Merchant Center, and the the better the housekeeping is in the Merchant Center, the better the results you are going to get through shopping ads. It's absolutely critical, um, to keep that feed clean.